In this lecture, we will explore social media trends for businesses in 2023, and it won't take us more than 3 minutes. So I logged into my Perplexity AI account. Next, I navigated to my AI profile, which is a custom instruction from ChatGPT within Perplexity AI. So I'm using the same part of the custom instruction that tells the system about me. By the way, feel free to use this link in the main resource that I shared in the beginning of the course. Great, now let's go to Perplexity AI and type in the following search query. Search datareportal.com to find info on Gen Z behavior on social media in 2022 and 2023. Let's break down this quickly. First, we begin with a verb search. Then we provide the website to search through. Next, we specify exactly what we want to find out. In this case, we want to know about the behavior of Gen Z on social media from 2022 to 2023. After scanning the website called Data Reportal, we found information we were looking for. This website provides valuable marketing data and research for marketers. However, there are other websites that you can also use. If you know specific information that you're looking for is on that website, you can go and try that there. For example, Statista could be another website to do that. I also highly insist on following these little numbers at the end of each bullet point and double check this information on the original website. You can simply copy the original keyword and then go to that website, press Ctrl F or Command F, and just have a look at how this data was presented there. Just try to find the keyword or number that's there so it's less likely to be modified. Perplexity also suggests follow-up questions like the common reasons to follow or unfollow brands on social media. While you'll see other approaches to searching for information in the future lectures, I recommend to use Perplexity as a reliable tool that utilizes the same logic we used previously, but in a more effective way. It also accesses websites without any issues and is quite trustworthy, doesn't hallucinate, and provide you with misleading information. Right, time to summarize. To use Perplexity, start with a verb, then mention the website you want to search, and indicate what you want to find. Don't forget to check the context and utilize follow-up questions that Perplexity suggests. They're typically quite smart. I hope you're as excited as I am about this one, and see you in a few seconds in the next lecture. Cheers, bye.